circular economy, or the concept of circularity, lies right at the center or at the heart of sustainable development, which is something all of us, and particularly in government, we are very, very keen on. I now want to read the speech of the CEO. Today, waste, electrical and electronic equipment, often referred to as e-waste, is a global issue posing a significant challenge to the environment and human health. This is because it's a new challenge, and at the rate at which it is growing is very, very alarming. Indeed, e-waste is the world's fastest growing domestic waste. According to the Global E-Waste Monitor report of 2020, 51.3 million metric tons of e-waste are produced each year, with Kenya's annual electronic waste generation growing from 3,000 metric tons in 2012 to 51,000 metric tons in 2020. Increased generation of e-waste is caused by rapid technological innovations. And changing consumer preferences, decreasing costs, and short life cycle for most electronics. The greatest challenge in the management of e-waste in Kenya is lack of adequate resources, low level of citizen awareness on the harmful effects of the waste on the environment, human health, and safety, limited capacity for stakeholders dealing in waste management, and lack of synergy among the stakeholders because they work in an uncoordinated manner. Despite the many challenges and harmful effects brought about as a result of e-waste, there are many useful benefits of e-waste, which include creation of employment, generation of revenue, producing of waste byproducts, which can be used to feed other local industries. The informal e-waste industry also creates substantial employment for the unemployed, who are mostly the youth. To address these challenges, Kenya is a party and a signatory of several international conventions, protocols, and laws that provide guidance and standards for e-waste management. Addressing challenges associated with e-waste requires innovative thinking and resources. Over the past years, the National Environment Trust Fund has been able to support green innovation in electrical and electronic waste. I take this opportunity to applaud WEEE Centre for taking the lead in e-waste management activities in Africa. This is a testament that our homegrown solutions can create significant impact across the borders. WEEE Centre's approach to e-waste management through circular approach is a model to adopt and replicate due to its potential for green jobs creation, mitigation to greenhouse gas emissions, social and economic empowerment of players from the informal sector. In the strategic period, the strategic plan, that is, 2023-2027, Netfund will focus on circular economy and solid waste management, including the e-waste. I therefore call for partnerships to join Netfund in programming and supporting mobilization of resources for implementation of interventions that address solid waste management, especially in the management of e-waste. With the recent enactment of the Sustainable Waste Management Act in Kenya, I would like to urge all the stakeholders attending this important conference to build synergy and work towards reducing the menace brought about by e-waste for better environment. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, I encourage each one of you to feel free to engage, share, ask questions to enable productive discussion. It is my pleasure to welcome you to this conference. Karibuni sana.